Hi, welcome to my channel Multi-Theme Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry in Indian style. First, gather all the ingredients. 2 pounds skinless, boneless chicken breast halves, 2 teaspoons salt, half a cup cooking oil, 1½ cups chopped onion, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1½ teaspoons minced fresh ginger root, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon water, 1 15-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup water, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro, and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Step 1. Sprinkle the chicken breasts with 2 teaspoons salt. Heat oil in a large skillet over high heat. Partially cook the chicken in the hot oil in batches until completely browned on all sides. Transfer browned chicken breasts to a plate and set aside. Reduce the heat to medium and add onion, garlic, and ginger to the oil remaining in the skillet. Cook and stir until the onion turns soft and translucent, which should take about 5 to 8 minutes. Stir in curry powder, cumin, turmeric, coriander, cayenne, and 1 tablespoon of water into the onion mixture. Allow it all to heat together for about 1 minute while stirring. Add tomatoes, yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and 1 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Stir to combine everything really well. Return the chicken breast to the skillet along with any juices that might be on the plate. Pour in half a cup of water and bring it to a boil, turning the chicken to coat it with the sauce. Sprinkle garam masala and 1 tablespoon of cilantro over the chicken. Cover the skillet and let it simmer until the chicken breasts are no longer pink in the center and the juices run clear, which should take about 20 minutes. An instant red thermometer inserted into the center should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Finally, drizzle with lemon juice to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.